We are going to be doing a live unboxing and review of this Yiisonger magnetic wireless power bank. Let's do it. It is a 100% original product, which is really nice. It shows you the model number, also tells you a couple things to do and not to do, also shows you some different colors that you could potentially choose from, the product information, what you're actually receiving in the box itself. Also has some information on the side, short circuit protection, over current protection, over voltage protection, and over temperature protection. When we first take it out, it's in this little nice package for it. It's also covered by nice plastic as well. You can see that it is only for iPhone 12, 13, 14, 15. It's giving you a couple of different things to do and not to do. So don't use an alcohol to wipe the surface. The Type-C cable comes with the power bank, cannot charge iPhone 15 series. So when we pop this out, I do like the plastic covering that's protecting it. It's very sleek. It's actually a really, really nice material. As you can see, it's kind of shiny. Wow, this is really cool. So it actually has a lightning cable on one side and a USB-C on the other side, which is really nice. So if I pop this out, I can actually plug in to anything that requires a lightning cable, and then I can easily pop that back in there. Then we also have the USB-C, which is nice because this is going to be for my iPhone 15. This is going to be for my headphones, like my AirPods, so I can easily charge it with that. But my husband has an iPhone 14, so we can actually charge mine and his at the same time with these two plugs, which is really nice. Also have a magnetic thing on top, so for my Apple Watch, for example, I could easily pop it right here on the magnet and charge that at the same time. You're also going to have the USB right here, which is going to be the charger for this particular product. So we're going to take this, pop this in, and then you're going to be able to plug this in. You're also going to be able to see that you can actually turn it around and use the USB-C in this hole instead if you have a USB charging port or a power surge protector. And it's a pretty decent size. I would say it's maybe like a little less than a foot long for the actual cord itself. Really, really good, durable, really, really like the material. Like I said, I like how it kind of has a satin finish. Also have a kind of how to use pamphlet, and they also have information for you to be able to reach out to them should you have any problems. So I'm really excited to test this on my devices, and it might be something for you to look into too.